Important operation information for your braising pan. In this video, we will cover important operation information for your Vulcan braising pan. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. Warning: do not use the braising pan as a deep fat fryer. It should be used only for shallow pan frying. Cooking oil film not more than 1/8 inch or 0.3 centimeters thick. Using the braising pan for deep frying could result in a fire hazard. To prevent discoloration of the stainless steel cooking surface, do not turn the heat on unless the braising pan is covered with a thin layer of cooking oil, fluids, or food to be cooked. Do not overheat the clad stainless steel plate by setting the temperature well above recommended temperatures or by operating the braising pan without any fluid inside the pan to absorb the heat. Overheating the plate may cause warping and will carbonize any cooking oil on the plate and cause sticking. Vulcan lids are manufactured to be adjusted for venting steam. The lid is spring-loaded and will stay in any position at which it is placed. After some time, the springs may need to be tightened. Call your local Vulcan authorized servicer to make these adjustments. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan braising pan. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.